Hello my friend, welcome back to another review video. For today's video we are looking at this 64,000 mAh power bank system. As you can see here, it comes with a nice box. This one comes with very many adapters. You can even hook up solar to it if you need to power it with solar. As you can see, all different adapters can be used with this power bank. You can charge it using a two-prong 120 volt outlet. So your standard house outlet from the US, you can charge it with that. Comes with a Type-C to Type-C cable. Here is your adapter plug cable, as well as your other charging cable. And they give you a micro cable with a USB end. It does come in a very soft, nice carrying case with a pocket that you can put your manual and different papers inside, cell phone, different devices. Here you can see how sleek the product is. Nice, sleek on the sides, two vents on the sides for allowing the heat to escape. Here you can see you have your DC in, Type-C port, USB, 12 volt, 16, 20, and 24 volt DC out. There are a couple ways of charging this. Right here we have this one we already have pre-set up. This is connected to our computer. Now it's going to be the same cable as this, the Type-C to Type-C. We have it connected to our Type-C computer cable. Now we're going to go ahead and plug this in, the 100 watt. So you would plug that right in there, and that will allow it to charge. And you can use that with a laptop or desktop computer, game system. You can use it with very many different setups and devices and systems. Now here you can see that it says 1%. You see a little power symbol here, and it says in. That means it's charging this power bank. And we'll just let that go for a little bit. So that's one way of charging it. So you can charge it with a 100 watt. Now you can also charge it with a solar panel and connect a solar panel in there as well. If it solar panel has a charge controller on it, easily do it that way. Again, you can also charge it with a DC in. So that would be, let's go ahead and show you. That would be this right here. You connect everything together, you plug it into the DC in, so it's going to say DC in right here. Just plug this right in there, like that. Now we're going to go ahead and take our plug here, plug this right in there, turn this on, and now we have our device here. Give it a couple seconds after you plug it in. There we go. Now as you can see, we have 1%. It's 19 volts. So that's how many volts it's charging at. So again, you could do Type-C, you could do the DC in. You can also then do DC out. You're going to see DC out, and this allows you to use different DC devices and charge other things and use them as well. What you're going to do there is you're going to see the black tip end. You're going to go ahead and place that right down. Oh, let's see, it actually might be. There we go. It's the white tip end. So in DC out, go ahead and plug the white tipped end right in there, 12 volt. Now you can go and plug this into any 12 volt DC plug. And you can use any of these adapters to work for any different size that you need. And the adapters are very simple. Take this, take one adapter, slide it over the top, just like this. And now we can use this adapter for whatever we want. You got radios, you got different devices, no problem. I bet you we could even charge our power bank here with this as well. Look at this. Now, we are charging this, as you can see, nice and charge it up. So for charging with the DC out, 16, 12, and 28, let me go ahead and show you how this works. First, you would turn this on by pressing and holding, and then it's going to say, and it's going to light up right there. Now, If it doesn't charge your device, whatever you're using, this is going to be mainly for power. So where you see the DC out 12 volt, that's mainly going to power a 12 volt item like a radio or something related. Now let's go plug it into the DC out 16, 20, and 24 volt. Now while we do that, as you can see, we have it connected to this power system. Now we're charging this power bank with this power bank. And again, just use the adapters. It's very simple and easy to use. And just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and press and hold. We actually might have drained the battery on this, so we're going to go ahead and let it fully charge overnight. But you guys get the point. Overall, this is amazing. It's great to take with you anywhere you go, camping, personal use. Overall, it is amazing, guys. High quality brand, and what I like about it is you can lay it flat. You can set it up on its side like this. You can set it up on its side like that. Overall, a very amazing brand.